While capability refers to the ability of a person to do something, negative capability refers to the ability of a person to not do something. When Keats first mentions it in his letter in 1817, he says that it is the possession or quality of any man of achievement, especially in literature, and also that Shakespeare possesses it in abundance. Negative capability is defined by Keats as when man is capable of being in uncertainties, mysteries, doubts, without any irritable reaching after fact and reason. Thus, negative capability is the capability of a person to not look frantically for answers. Keats believed that we must be like flowers, open to a bee, open to the various sensations and perceptions of life, and take it one at a time. We should not be like the bee that frantically revolves around the flower, goes around the whole world looking for something. There are two ideas that come up. The first is the idea of the difference between intuition and logic, and second is the idea of aesthetic beauty. Keats believed that intellect is different from imagination. Keats believed again that intellect leads to logic, which leads to seeing things, analyzing things, categorizing things, and dissecting things. He says that all of these things look for the truth outside the thing and never inside. The innate truths of things can never be seen from the outside, while imagination or intuition sees things from the inside. So, the only truth that can ever be found is through imagination and intuition. Logic can never lead to truth. So, how does one find truth through imagination? Keats again believes that through imagination, through this state of being where a person is not himself or herself but something other, the person imagines oneself to become the other, and for a moment, when the person becomes the other, the person knows the truth of that other thing from the inside. And in that moment of clarity, in that moment of knowledge, one comes to the truth. But this truth is not as clear or visible or as logical as the logical man would want it to be. And so the logical man would never be satisfied with this truth, this half truth, this just a glimmer, a gleam of the truth. So what is visible to the intuitive mind, to the imaginative mind, is never visible to the intellectual mind, is what Keats thinks. And thus he believes that truth can never be found through logical reasoning. It can only be found in the vicissitudes of imagination. Keats was a worshipper of beauty. He famously said, "Beauty is truth, truth, beauty. That is all you know on earth and all you need to know." He believes that whatever the imagination finds as the beautiful must be the truth. He says that literary matters are not subject to the constraints of logic, realism, reason, or even morality when endowed in a beautiful artistic form. Keats says that according to negative capability, an author should be very impersonal, should be objective. He should not carry his own propaganda into his books, but rather let the book be a receptive particle. Let himself be something who is receptive like a flower, and let the whole world, emerge from there. Do not miss a video update. Subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and share if you found it helpful.